Move all of them out of this place. Out of this place. All of them. Move them out. Go to that side. Move them out. Stand. Take them out of this premises. Take them out.
Out to where? Out to where? Out to where? Out to where? Will this make even a word? It is very wrong of this. It's very wrong. We cannot be intimidated in our country.
You right.
Yes.
You said that I moved that.
Go that side. Hello, Monaship, go that side.
Let them move them out of this place. Move them out of this place.
Move them. Those of you with them.
Move them out of this place. Move all of them out of this place. Out of this place. All of them. Move them out.
Go to that side.
Move them out.
Stand.
Take them out of this premises.
With due respect.
Take them out.
Out to where? Out to where? Out to where? Out to where? Will this make even a word? It is very wrong of him. It is very wrong. We cannot be intimidated in our country.
Oh God, you right.
Yes.
You said that I moved that.
No. It's very wrong. It's very wrong. No. Please. You cannot be intimidated in our country. You cannot be intimidated. And I don't know. You come and say we should leave Nigeria.
It's a right to embark on a peaceful protest. You have to address them in a civil manner. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? If you want to address me here. What are you trying to do? If you want to address me here. If you want to address me here. Why would they tell me that I'm open? Why are they afraid of Sowore? They are not my
Nigeria belongs to everyone. And we cannot be intimidated. I saw the secretary of NDC ordered the Nigerian policemen to send us out of this place. When we came, we were not talking. We only held our cardboards, placards in protest. But because he is very rude, and I say it without fear or favor, he is very rude. He is rude. He now calls the Nigerian policemen to chase us out. As if we are animals. Enough is enough. We are not dead. Chase them out. You see today, I know why that was sleep for sale. See that so, Nigerian police supposed to operate. We not just here. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Forget it. This is what the man wants, and you have seen it. Who is afraid of Shawara? Let the person come out. Yes. I cannot call him the Bible. Yes. It's always the family meeting. He's standing in the debate. Yes. Shawara. It is not a debate. Shawara is here. I want to yarn. Any presidential debate without Omoyele Sowore is a family meeting. It's a family meeting. It's a house meeting. Yes. It's a meeting of cabal. Yes, it's a family meeting. Together to maintain the status quo. I can't call it a debate. And we are the forthcoming 2019 election, we have only 2 presidential candidates. And who are these people? Sowore and others. But others are scared of Sowore. They know what they're doing. They have brought those who cannot expose
have to say the truth. Are not represented here. Nigerians are not represented here. Are you represented here? Are you represented here? Are you represented here? Let's have our own Nigeria must be free! Nigeria must be free! Nigeria must be free! Nigeria must be free! Yes! Nigeria must be free!
And we need to take over the leadership of this country so that even the policemen who are standing here will be free. Do you know they are not free? Yes. Do you know they are not free? Yes. Enough is enough. Yes. No more shall anyone who have sworn to protect the dignity of this nation shall be used as a puppet. Yes. And the only man who can guarantee them that is we must all put our heads together and say, enough is enough. Do you think police to intimidate us? Do you think military to intimidate us? No police. No police. No debate. No soldier. We are all coming at this. All coming at this. You understand? All coming. Yes. And we are also part of the Nigerian project. We are also
we are asking for extension.
Yes, he was stopped from participating.
Nobody has the right to deprive.
Yes. No.
So we are
Shall we stay around the barrier?
Is it the
But sir, if a car is passing, we can move when that car is passing. Yes, sir. Because sir, the nature of this is called the civil disobedience. You should understand that now.
But the public defense is
It's a public
happening
event.
here.
Which should be open to all.
Yes.
We are protesting because we are
Yes, just the most I didn't touch you. You have no right to touch me. Greatest Nigeria people. Greatest Nigeria people. Okay, everybody take 3 steps backward.
Okay. Back up. 1, 2,
Because they are free.
Yes. Nigeria is not a private company. Nigeria belongs to all of us. And we are not represented in this very debate.
We want justice.
Greatest Nigeria people. Greatest Nigeria people. Just in case you don't know what we are doing here.
Yes, sir.
The 2019 election in Nigeria is a fight for the soul of Nigeria.
Yes.
In case you don't know what we are doing here.
Yes.
The 2019 election is a fight for the spirit of Nigeria.
To liberate everyone. To liberate everyone. All of them.
In case you don't know what we are doing here. The 2019 election is a fight for the police of Nigeria.
Yes!
In case you don't know what we are doing here, the 2019 election is a fight so that the policemen will protect you.
Yes!
And not just those who can wear Babariga. And not just those who drive Prado Jeep. And not just those who can lodge in transport. It is a fight for those of us who live in Maraba. Those of us who live in Kari. Those of us who live in Yaya. Those who are coming from Kano. Those of us who live in 2019 election is a fight for the youth. Since Nigeria gained independence, nobody has thought about it. Nobody has cared about it. Did anybody pay your school fees? No. Did anybody give you welfare? No. Did anybody provide for it? No. We all be hustlers. We all be. No, sir. Come here. No, sir. Then we go hustle for 2019. And yes, the person that is going to represent us. cannot debate your future. The people who stole your money cannot debate your future. The people who took away from you cannot debate how to give you. The people who have impoverished you cannot tell you how they were rich. These people don't have anything to offer to you. The only person that has something to offer. My people, do you know why I follow Omoyele show? It is 5 words. He's consistent. He's consistent. He has been fighting corruption since his mother's womb. I was not there. That's what I was told. My people, do you know why I support Omoyele show? His character. His character. My people, do you know why I support Omoyele? I go with you. His capacity. He does not need to work for 800 meters. He does not need to work for 800 meters to tell you he's fit for president. Omoyele Sowore runs 2 marathons. He does not need to go to the US to prove to you that he's not a thief. He does not need to walk 800 meters to prove to you that he's fit for president. My people, you know why I support Omoyele. He stays in front of people. He stays in front of people. He stays in front of policemen. He stays in front of people. And guess what? I believe that
like Nigeria, blessed with so much resources. Resources to go around. Resources to make you responsible your own fatherland. But do you know that the government is as useless as the word useless? Do you know the government is so incompetent? Yes. Nigeria youth today depend on Nigeria bet to survive. Nigeria bet is more responsible than this government.
Even the Nigeria bet says no level.
The only man who can liberate us from
Nigeria bet
and he was denied the opportunity to be in this debate, to tell Nigerians what he has in store for them.
Yes.
We wouldn't have bothered if we had excluded him. But why subject us to voting online? He subjected us to an online voting. We voted and we became third. We took third. Having known that Sowore is going to speak. Sowore is going to shake table. Sowore is going to shake table. They decided to take him out. And the man who is responsible for this, the secretary of NEDG, was the same man who asked this law by the policemen to chase us out of this place. But I also want to tell the policemen that the liberation we stand here for today will liberate them all. Nobody can intimidate you in your own fatherland. You are not foreigners. You are not Germans. You represent my best. Nigeria runs to your DNA. So nobody can intimidate you. Not Nigerian police. Not Channels TV. Not NEDG. Not even the federal government. And a message to them. We are coming. We are coming for them. We are not coming with swords. We are not coming with guns. We are coming with our ballot paper. We will decide the fate of this country in a few weeks' time from now. They want to intimidate you. No!
must be free. Showore is our man. 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 Protest Nigeria people! Protest Nigeria people! Protest of the greatest of the greatest of the greatest of the greatest Nigeria people! We are here on a peaceful mission. We are not here to fight. We are here to express our rights. I get one question for now. Share what people don't do. Share what people don't do. Our life not clear. We are here to take back our freedom. We are here to take back our rights. We are here to take back our electricity. We are here to take back our infrastructure. And we are taking it back. With the Nigerian youth, taking a message to the federal government. We are sending message to our corrupt leaders. What people don't do. Our life not clear. We are not working for them anymore. Our mumu don't do. Showore is our man. 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 Showore is our man.
Nigeria people, ever conscious Nigeria people, ever militant Nigeria people, ever handsome Nigeria people, ever beautiful Nigeria women. I want to talk. I want to vituperate. I want to shout. I want to scream. I want to my people. Yes, sir. The party that Omoyele Sowore belongs to is called AAC.
Again? AAC. Again? AAC. Inside. AAC. They never hear them. AAC. What's they call them? AAC. African Action Congress. African Action Congress. African Action Congress. We must liberate Nigeria and Africa at large. Yes.
So we are not APC.
Yes. Tell them.
We are not PDP.
Yes.
But the truth is, what is the difference between APC and PDP? Is there a difference between APC and PDP?
Killings.
Do you know why this is important? Do you know why this is important? The election is in 4 weeks. Yes. When you get there, I hope all of you have your PVC. Yes. Just look for the sign that has 2 hands like this. If the hand not do like this, if they tell them waka, put your hand. Yes. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. It is important because AAC, we have promised Spicer Hit.
Yes.
Our manifesto is Spicer Hit.
Yes.
S stands for security.
Yes.
We will not allow our boys, our military men, our men in uniform,
our police officers,
our men in uniform, to be dying anyhow. We will tell the truth to our men and support them like this. Do you know what peace is? Do you know what peace is? Power. Peace is power. Peace is power. Without power is not just necessary for your air condition. Power is necessary for your own development. AAC will provide power. I is infrastructure. AAC will provide infrastructure. We are going to change Nigeria into a manufacturing network. That's Nigeria because anti-corruption. Anti-corruption is not fighting your friends in the name of corruption or your enemies in the name of corruption. Do you know that there's something called anti-corruption corruption? That is when your anti-corruption is corrupt. That is what this government has done, this current government. But don't think that because of that PDP is better. For 16 years they robbed us blind. For 16 years they impoverished us. Both of them are together. What should we do? Get them out. Do you know what he is? He is the economy. The economy is going to work for me and you. The economy is going to take care of you. You know, Nigeria should be your motherland and not just your fatherland. Nigeria should not just give you identity. It should take care of you. Nigeria should give you education. Nigeria should take care of your children. Nigeria should give you welfare. Nigeria should give you money. That is what he is. Do you know what R is? R is for restructuring. Yes. Nigeria needs to be restructured. Yes. We in Zone 7, we the poor people, we that are not represented in places like this. Yes. Nigeria will take care of us. Yes. After ANC comes to power. Do you know what H is? H is for health. Yes. So that even if you have an accident, you are convinced that your country is this man.
I think we have done enough.